But what is this Indaba all about?
Join us as we dive into one of the most exciting tech weeks of the year, the Cybersecurity Indaba. We're talking about a power-packed week of inspiring programs, expert keynote speakers, hands-on workshops, and cutting-edge exhibitions. The lineup includes an impactful community outreach program, the thrilling Hack Secure Hackathon, and future-focused NextGen Skills Bootcamp. This is where innovation meets action.
Another reason why I'm here.
And South Africa's cyber defenders and digital warriors are celebrated in style at the prestigious South African Cybersecurity Awards. Whether you're an industry leader, student, policymaker, or just cyber curious, the Cybersecurity Indaba Week is the place to be. Brought to you by Cybermate, Innovators of Digital Resilience.